The WCTC Corporate Training Center has been great for us as a resource. We've been growing really rapidly the last several years, and we wouldn't have been able to do all the training in-house, so we've utilized them for everything from blueprint reading to leadership development to OSHA compliance training to first aid and CPR training. Corporate Training Center puts on great half-day workshops related to human resource activities. So we've done several recently on performance evaluations, how those are changing with the way the workforce is changing, how to recruit better, how to do things to retain people. One of the big things I think it has done for us is not only to improve performance, but it improves morale, and the people enjoy the fact that we're investing in them. The WCTC Training Center is probably the best resource a local business can utilize for developing their future leaders, for staying current in the trends that are going on in not only manufacturing but other areas of business.